Hello everyone, hope you are well. So today we'll talk about Honor Pad X9. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll talk about this pad body. This pad body weight is 495 gram, glass front, aluminium frame, aluminium back. Display. This pad display is 11.50 inch TFT LCD, 120Hz refresh rate. Display resolution is 1200 into 2000 pixel. Aspect ratio of 50:9. Cheapest Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 6nm. Memory 128 GB with 4 GB RAM. OS Android 13. Magic OS 7.1. Rear camera is 5 megapixel with 2.2 aperture and front camera is 5 megapixel with 2.2 aperture. Video capture. Rear camera can capture HD with 30 fps and front camera can capture HD with 30 fps. Battery. This pad battery is 7250 megapixel and charging system and 22.5 watt charging system. Connectivity Wi-Fi 5 and a good sound system with 4 speaker. So that was the video for today and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.